Huh?
Alright, ready? Unlock.
Yep.
Is that what you're getting done?
Huh?
That's nice. I was scared. You think for the kids to turn? I was just. Oh yeah. Huh? Always has cupcakes. Yeah. No, I can't guarantee what's gonna happen. Give me hot. Bye. Hi, baby. So pretty. All right. Dang it. Oh, I got for pizza. Aren't you styling? Wee. You're so cute. Oh, I didn't see him over there. It's Grammy.
We get the planes coming down here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the airport's right there. There's another one. I just saw a Spirit Airlines one go
Watch out, don't
straight
get in
above
front of
our
it.
head.
He's trying to film it, I think.
Go straight above our head. Who are you? Who are you? Are you Delta?
Southwest.
You're Southwest. Whoa, that is so cool. I love airplanes.
He has one of those airplanes, but
Did you get it on?
Yeah, I just. The airplane's coming in. The airplane's gonna go directly above us. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? There's also another plane directly behind it. There's another. I see the lights of the plane. What are you? What kind of plane? What plane are you? Oh my god. It's a Delta! A Delta!
how was this like
There's another.
I call him Donovan.
I was really excited when I saw the Delta.
Maybe that was.
I know, that one's a 757.
Have you ever seen a
Oh, wait, no,
747?
that's not coming.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, that's a fire, so it's going that way.
I really want to see a 747.
Yeah, me too.
I think I've only seen a 777 once. That was like at an airport.
Been to an airport.
I think I've only seen like a 777 once. Oh, what are you gonna be? Maybe it's another Maybe? I don't know. Let's see. It's coming in now.
Yeah.
So. Okay.
It's not scary.
What kind are you? We're just airplane fans. Oh my gosh, we just love airplanes. Let's see, what are you?
I'm doing an airplane dance.
I know quite a bit.
I'm making an airplane dance.
What are you? Okay, you're, I think